Alright you guys, so I did make mention in the last video, if you did watch that, you know, when we picked up the Accord, about a sponsor, a new sponsor for the channel, and that's going to be Max Heating Rods. They are sponsoring today's video, so a huge shout out to them. They sent me some coilovers here for the 3000 GT, so it's going to be pretty fun putting them on. We're going to get them all installed right now, and then we will be driving and doing like a test drive with the car, but that'll be in the next video, so you guys be sure to check that out. That's going to be next. But today what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and unbox these. I have yet to look at these, so I'm really excited. I've been waiting. I just got them in yesterday, and I got over here as soon as I could. And yeah, we're about to get these opened up and take a look at them for the very first time and go ahead and get them on the car and see what they look like. Now they are adjustable, so you can, you know, really change your damping and everything and your height. So that's something I really wanted with coilovers, is the fact that this car sits up pretty high for what it is, you know, so it's kind of got that monster truck suspension. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open these up, let you guys see them, then we're gonna get them in the car and just kind of see how it looks. Should look really good. All right, let's go ahead and get the cut there. Let's see. All right, like I said, Max Heating Rods. If you guys want to check out a set of coilovers for your vehicle, just go to the website, enter all your information. Now, if you guys want to check out these coilovers right here that I have for my 3000 GT, I'm gonna leave a link below. Now, Max Heating Rods has a lot to choose from for performance parts for your vehicle. And if you see something you'd like on their website, you can enter code CODY, C-O-D-Y, to get 15% off your order. It doesn't matter what you order. Like I said, you will get 15% off. Now, what we're gonna do here, we are gonna be checking out these coilovers for the very first time, kind of seeing, you know, what they sent us. Check it out. So let's open this up, and here we go. Oh man, so they look really good. You got the red there. It almost matches the car. Like, it almost matches the car. It looks really good. Let's just set that there. And then now we have a customer service card. I think this is going to be in anybody's order when they get this. So it's just a little pamphlet here, I guess, so you can check out. Yeah, that's right. So they got turbos. They have a lot of stuff. So it's kind of like a little overview of what they have. Now, they're going to have a lot more than this. So like I said, they are bound to have something for your car build, or whatever. So I see air suspension, carburetors, turbos, cranks, connecting rods, and coilovers. Now I'm actually going to be needing some connecting rods once I get my you know, F22 for the Honda Accord. So maybe we could do something with those too. Now here's going to be the first time actually looking at these coilovers and take them out of the box or anything like that. So man, so let's see. Let's get the paper off of them. See how can I do this? All right, here we go. And look, they are fully adjustable. So there you got your lock ring there, or whatever you want to call it. So that will allow you to adjust the ride height of your vehicle. Man, these look really good, don't they? So there's your damper up top. I think that's exactly what that is. Don't know a lot about dampening and all that, but I'm gonna learn, so you guys just bear with me. But here is one of the coilovers. So this is gonna be, let's see, does it say it's for front and rear, or does it matter? I don't know, we'll find that out. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open the rest of them. Let's go ahead and get them out. Oh yeah, I see which one. All right, so here we go. We got the next coilover we're gonna be looking at. Let's see. So this should be for the back or the front. This may actually be for the back. Man, these are heavy. No, actually this is for the front. The other is gonna be for the back. Man, it does look really good. These are high quality. You see this? These look so good. All right, so we're gonna get started getting the wheels off of the car and getting these things put on. All right, this should come off now. Here we go. All right, so the wheel's out of the way. Now we're gonna try to use the impact here. All right, so what we're gonna do here, just go ahead and take off our brake lines. Let's see, they should come off pretty easily, I hope. All right, so we got our back bracket off, and you see what come of that. So the bolt head just initially broke off. It was turning. Like I said, everything is pretty much just, it's rusted so bad. So everything's just super rusted up, super corroded. And so yeah, but anyway, we got that bracket off, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna take these 2 bolts off here, take the 2, or I think that's 3 bolts off on the top of half of the strut, and we'll be able to pull this thing out. Pretty quick change right there. All right, so we got the bottom bolt out. You guys can kind of see, I know it's a little dark. So we got that bottom bolt out, and we got this one out. It took a lot of oil. I actually kept hitting it with this impact right here. Let me show you. So I was using this impact, you know, basically just to vibrate it, because it didn't have enough power to actually break it loose. So I'll just take and use the hammer, you know, mechanism to kind of get some vibration in there and help loosen everything up, along with pouring oil everywhere and making sure it was all oiled up. And then we were able to get both bolts broke loose. Both, the nut is off of the back one back there. So this bottom part is actually ready to come out. And then we're just gonna move up to the top right here, get this bolt out, that bolt, and this one. And we should be able to get this out. We're gonna unplug that, so we won't be using this anymore. All right, so what I'm doing now, I got my backup and I got my impact. I'm just gonna run this up. All right, that's tight. Now let's go to the back. Now I will be checking this with the actual, you know, ratchet, just to make sure it's tight as it should be. All right, guys, so we got this in. We got it all tightened up. So the coilover is now in. Now we got it in down here. This is all tightened up, so you can kind of see that. Looks really, really good on there. I can tell it's definitely gonna be lowered because of where this is sitting now. So I'm gonna get the wheel on, and then we will drop this down to see where it's at. All right, so we got the wheel on. I just got it kind of, you know, tightened up a little bit. So I'm gonna put the breaker bar on this to tighten it and check it kind of like that. And we will see if, I don't know, this thing's gonna be low, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna be low.
It is gonna be low. Look, I think that's where it used to sit, but like when it was on the ground, you know, stock height, or maybe, you know, there's a little more wheel gap than that. But yeah, we're gonna throw up a picture at the end of what it used to sit like and compared to now. All right, so here we just got done installing the rear, you guys. You can kind of see, I know it's sort of dark there. But anyway, we got these on, looking really, really good, man. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna finish and kind of, you know, just tighten up the rings here, and we should be good to go. So that's the back done. We've got the front done. I'm going to work on getting the other side off. All right, you guys, here we are. We got the, this is gonna be the back right. So passenger side is a tight fit, pretty tight fit, but it is going. So there you go. We got the top part there. We're just gonna line that up here in a second. We're gonna have to then jack this up. It's actually taking me a little longer to make this video, like get it out to you guys, because I was having so much trouble getting the old you know, shock off of this car, because as you can see, everything's really, really corroded. So it was taking, you know, a while to get some of the bolts undone. Just like on the front right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and post a video though, but on the front right up here, I was trying to take the old bolt out and then it snapped, so I'm gonna have to drill that out. But right now we have 3 other coilovers on, and so I'm gonna have to go back and of course adjust them a little bit, get them where we want them. But I'll kind of give you guys a video and picture of that. We'll do like a walk around of the car. So it's gonna sit, you know, a little funny, but I just want to go ahead and get this video out. Like I said, we only have 1 more coilover left to put on. I'm gonna be getting that on, and in the second video I'm gonna do like a test drive and all that stuff, and then, you know, of course have that coilover on. But anyway, so here's this coilover going on. We only have 1 more left to do. All right, you guys, so we just got our wheel on, and just to give you guys an example just how much lower these coilovers make your car, you know, just from the setting that they come in the box in. We're gonna get a little shot of that. I'm gonna get a video of that real quick and talk about that. But I'm having to put a board up under the wheel in order to get the jack out. Now I think I am gonna raise the cars up, like I said, just a little bit, just so it doesn't sit quite so low, but it's definitely gonna be a lot lower than stock. All right, so look, just to give you guys an example of how much lower this is, look what I'm having to do. Okay, so huge shout out to Max Speeding Rods for sponsoring today's video, but look at this. So I'm having to put a 2x4 down just so I can get the jack out from underneath the car, and then I'm gonna have to, of course, just, you know, roll the car back, and then we will get to see the fitment of the wheels. Now the front is pretty low up there, you guys can kind of see it. So yeah, let's see what this ends up being like. We may have to adjust the rear to be a little bit lower, but anyway, I'm absolutely loving these things. It's exactly what I wanted as far as, you know, coilovers and all, and they went on really, really good. So here we go. Look at there, you guys can see that we got the board on there. Once I take the jack down, I'm gonna get that other piece of wood, and then we will be able to roll the car backwards, and we'll kind of get to see roughly what it will look like once we get that front right put on.